Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to remove and replace the water pump on Opel Astra H 1.7 CDTI. We can see the serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, and the water pump is located on the serpentine belt. It's one of the pulleys. In order to get access to the water pump, we need to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we have access to the serpentine belt. In order to remove the belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise. That's the tensioner right there on the bottom. We need to turn it clockwise, and that's the wrench that I'm going to be using, size 15. When I turn the tensioner clockwise, it will loosen the belt and I can remove it. When I turn the tensioner clockwise, I'm going to put this pin in there. There is 2 holes on the tensioner. I'm going to put it in there, in between the 2 holes, and it will hold the tensioner in place so that the belt is loose all the time, and then I can remove it. Now I've put the pin in between the 2 holes, so now the belt is free. Now I can remove the belt. That's the serpentine belt out. Now, to get better access to the water pump, we're going to remove the right engine mount. The engine mount is held by 6 bolts, 3 there and 2, 1 there, 1 there and 1 on the rear. We're going to remove the engine mount, but before removing the engine mount, we need to hold the engine with the jack underneath. Just put a wood in between the jack and the oil pan. And now I can remove the bolts. And that's the engine mount out. Now that the engine mount is removed, we have better access to the water pump. The water pump is located right there. In order to remove the bolts for the water pump, first we need to remove the bolts holding the water pump pulley. There are 3 bolts that are holding it. To hold the pulley from spinning, this is the tool that I'm going to use. I'm just going to put it around the pulley, tighten it, and it will hold the pulley while I loosen and remove the bolts. Now that the bolts are removed, I'm going to loosen the tool and remove it and pull out the pulley. If the pulley doesn't want to come out, you might want to hammer it a little bit, maybe move it to the side and wiggle it a little bit and it will come out. And that's the pulley removed. Now we have better access to the water pump. The water pump is held by a couple of bolts. These are the bolts that it's held by. We need to remove them. One of the bolts is behind the tensioner, so we might want to loosen the tensioner in order to move it to the side a little bit, and then we'll be able to remove the last bolt. First we'll loosen all the bolts for the water pump that we can loosen, and then we're going to loosen the tensioner. Now I'll show you which bolt can't be loosened because of the tensioner. Is the bolt right there. So in order to remove that bolt, first we need to remove this parasitic pulley so that we can get access to the bolt holding the tensioner, which is in the middle right there. We're only going to loosen the bolt on the tensioner, and it will make enough space to remove the bolt for the water pump. Now that the tensioner is loose, we can just move it a little bit to the side, and now we have access to the last bolt for the water pump. We need to remove that bolt and then pull out the water pump. And that's the water pump out. There's also a gasket on the water pump, but in this case the gasket is on the engine. We need to pull it out and clean the space where the new gasket will be sitting on the engine. This is the new water pump. Along with the new gasket, I've put a little bit of grease on the gasket so that it stays glued to the water pump, and now I can put it in its place on the engine. We're going to put on all the bolts and tighten them. Next I'll show you in the service manual the tightening torques for the water pump bolts. It's 24 Newton meters. We tighten them to 24 Newton meters and then we assemble everything else in the reverse order. After the water pump bolts are tightened, we're going to tighten the tensioner, then we're going to put on the parasitic pulley. Afterwards we're going to put on the pulley for the water pump. We're again going to hold the pulley with this holder tool while we tighten the bolts and then assemble everything else. After we tighten the bolts, we're going to put the engine mount back on and the serpentine belt. I have a video in my channel of how to put on the serpentine belt and the routing, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.